Good morning. I am about to cook and oh my gosh, let me just show you what I'm cooking. It's not a lot. I'm cooking 4 dishes again today because I have 4 friends coming over. So I'm gonna make a pork rib soup with white radish, which is like something my mom always makes. Then I'm gonna make, oh, you know what? Let me just show you the ingredients. This is the pork. I've chopped up carrots, white radish, so that goes with the soup. Then I'm gonna make a chicken with mushroom and black fungus. This is like a chicken wine, so I'm gonna use like a Chinese wine, sort of like one of these. I've got a new bottle coming. Then I'm gonna fry an egg with onions, and that's I'm gonna make a vegetables. This is kailan, so I'm soaking it right now. Basically, the preparation is all done, so I'm actually gonna start boiling the soup first. Alright, so I have a bit of water, got the radish, onions, garlic, carrots, and I'm gonna put the meat inside. Alright, the meat's inside, so I'm just gonna let it boil. Ooh, it's boiling. Ooh, smells good. It's still a really long way more because we just started, so this is 1 hour out of 6 hours of boiling. So I'll probably have to scoop all this out later. I'm gonna make the eggs first. Added the egg. I'll let it simmer a little bit. Okay, my soup has been boiling for the past 4 hours. Oh, it smells so good. Whoa, can you hear the oil? It's like... Okay, I'm gonna make the chicken wine now. Actually marinated the chicken with soya sauce, lots of wine, sesame oil, and now I'm just gonna let it like simmer in here, so it's gonna thicken up. It smells, oh, it smells so good. All right, so now I've added the mushroom. I've added the keiti. Keiti is called what? Wolfberries. I've also got the black fungus, and now I'm just gonna stir it in and let it simmer for about, I guess, about half an hour. All right. Wow, look at that. Yes. Ooh, wow, look at my chicken wine, man.
Why you make chicken wine? Such a weird for single person.
Huh?
Single living here. Usually for always relate to the...
Finished clearing up the kitchen and took a shower because, you know, all the festivities and cooking and everything. So it's almost 12 o'clock now, so I'm just gonna rest, watch some YouTube, do my face, and yeah, just kind of relax. So I will see you tomorrow morning. It's Wednesday already. I have been slacking on my vlogs. Anyway, it's 8 p.m. and usually I don't teach on Wednesdays, but a friend of mine really needed help, so I'm gonna teach a class. I used to walk here every day when I first started working in Singapore. I used to work around here. So this is Capital Tower, and that's a new building. So when I used to work around here, that building wasn't around. That's now the Microsoft. Is that Alibaba? I'm not sure. I think it's Microsoft building, and behind there there's like a big Amoy Street, like it's like a food court area, market. So I used to be there. It's really nice at night. Alright, I'm teaching a class at Capital Tower tonight. This is my first time coming to this gym. Wow, this is a really nice gym. It has a swimming pool. So the class is done here. Like everybody's walking past, but it's a pretty good class. Wow, look at the swimming pool, so nice. Hi, I'm in Ion and I actually want to go into YSL, but it is quite packed. Look at the line. So I'll probably have to wait a bit, but I'll go into Fendi first. Kind of interested to check out a baguette. Oh my goodness, so freaking cute. this. Oh my gosh, look at the tiny little bag. That is so cute. I'm in this store called Editor's Market. It's got all these kind of like plain clothes. Not the best quality, but in terms of like, you know, really casual looks, not too bad. I'm always intrigued to go into the Editor's Market store because it looks like there's so much clothes, but I'm always disappointed. Like, I don't know, quality, maybe the cut, the design. It's not that I'm asking for like high-end clothes, but I don't know, something about it just... Ooh, I just got a couple of samples of perfume. That was really nice. The purpose of my trip is done. A big pillow and a queen-size comforter for the husband. Good morning. I am at Next shopping mall, NEX, Next. And I'm here for my medical checkup. I haven't done a blood test since a year before COVID started. So 2019 was my last blood test and I have been putting it off. Well, firstly COVID, then after that it's just been like lazy. I just couldn't find time. I just couldn't find like time to really come for my medical checkup, including the female type. Haven't done any, okay, no blood test, no pap smear, nothing. So now I just made an appointment. It is 7:30 in the morning and I'm too early. It's still closed. So I have to wait. I think they open at... See, it says it opens at 8:30. My appointment is 8:30. Oh my gosh, they're not gonna make me wait, are they? I am buying some vegetables because I'm gonna have some friends over this weekend. Let me see, what shall I get? Fishball. This belacan chili looks good. So many types. Oh, it's like a mango. Homemade style belacan. Hello, my vlogs are so random. Look at my curry puff. I like wrap my hair. Anyway, I just came home from class and I'm actually cooking some dinner. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna cook. Well, it's not to eat now, but it's actually for my husband. So it's usually better to cook a day before. It's actually the chicken wine. So I'm cooking it at night now. Then I'm just gonna keep it and then tomorrow just heat it up because he's coming over tomorrow. Yeah, so usually chicken wine, if you cook it the same day and you eat it, it's nice, but it's usually the next day when the wine gets absorbed into the chicken and all that. It comes really, really tasty. Ta-da! So I'm just gonna let it simmer and we're done. Pretty easy. It is Saturday and my husband came to Singapore, so he's actually doing his on arrival ART test. So we found one place like this Phoenix Medical Group in Paya Lebar, which I have. You know, when you go into the website and you search for like a place to book your appointment, oh my gosh, there are like so many. And because I'm not that familiar with all the places, I just randomly picked one. So we actually had to come to Paya Lebar here. The one, it's basically like I think they have a clinic there, and then they sort of maybe set up another space here just for all the quick tests. So you can do your PCR here, you can do all, which is really convenient if you live around Paya Lebar. Paya Lebar Square. I've never been here. Like this upstairs space, this is only like, I think it's 2 floors. So they got a variety of food. It's got Green Dot. I think that's like vegetarian if I'm not mistaken. A couple of like beauty salons here which seems to be doing vaccinations, and they've got like the quick test and then of course the clinic at the end. There are like restaurants here. Look. We are at Suntec City. Oh, there's a big Adidas here to go on the inside. Oh, I want to go inside Sephora. Okay. I haven't gone inside for so long. Ooh. Has anybody bought anything from Rare Beauty? I am quite curious. These are so cute. Look at the packaging. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Charlotte Tilbury. Oh man, I really want this. Is this the one, the big one? Instant, yeah. There's a new Ole Henriksen in Sephora. What? Wow, 20% acid. That's hardcore. It just occurred to me that everything is out on display. There's no like coverings. Huh. The only covering that I see is Laura Mercier. It's still closed. But everything else is open. What? What? Look at that. It's open. Like literally. I have not seen this in 2 years. I'm gonna go to media. So many restaurants. Wow. Whoa, Tesla. Wow, first time I see Tesla. What is this? When in doubt, just look up. What is this? When in doubt, just look up. Come let's see. What are we looking at? Reading. I don't know what we're looking at. Give yourself the same care and attention you would give yourself. What are the 3 qualities you love about yourself? Ooh, really? What? What's happening? I'm so confused. It's art. Okay. Wow, we bought some Wagyu beef and now we are just simmering it at home. Wow. Yeah. Ooh. Okay, what's that? Okay, fold it. Okay, try. Once you press, cannot close already one. The mana kept outside. Okay. Use your okay. One more time. Okay, fold it. Yeah, good. One more. Okay, do the other side. You have to work fast. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let me see for you. Oh, not bad, what? Okay.
This morning, then he, oh, cannot, my friend cannot come. See what happens? Positive.
Oh no.
Then find comment, I got